Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Khanna and I'm thrilled to share my experience with you of my summer internship program. I've been working as a market research analyst at MDRA. This internship helped me learn a lot about the market research industry in India. One of the highlights of my internship has been working with some of the major clients in India, one of them being India Today. We've been working with them for the college ranking analysis, and it's been a great project. We were given a lot of data, and through this data, we were able to understand trends and analysis of different types of market. This helped us also to delve into the educational system of India. At last, this internship helped me a lot with my analytical skills and being in a professional behavior at all times when in office. And I think it's been a great experience working with all the seniors that I met here at MDRA. Thank you.